All right, so we're going to construct an angle bisector. First step, center your compass on the vertex and draw an arc through both sides of the angle. Step 2, center the compass on an intersection point from step 1 and draw an arc inside of the angle. Step 3, repeat step 2, but with the other intersection point. Step 4, connect the intersection of the two arcs in step 2 and 3 with the vertex of the angle. So let's take a look to see how that's done. Here's my angle. First step, always make sure that this compass is centered on the vertex. Then I'm going to draw an arc that goes through both sides of that angle. So that's step 1. Step 2, I'm going to recenter my compass on one of the intersection points. And I'm going to draw an arc that's inside of the angle. So here's inside. I don't want to cross any of the sides. Then, without changing the size of your compass or the size of the opening, center on the other intersection point from step 1 and draw an arc that crosses this blue one. The intersection of the blue and the red arc is a point that's on the angle bisector. So now I can connect that point to the vertex of the angle. And we now have our angle bisector. So this angle should be congruent to this one. Don't forget, you do want to clean up your drawings and make them nice and neat, but you don't want to completely get rid of all the markings. All right, thank you.